Hello, my amazing grade 2 scholars. How are you guys doing this beautiful Thursday morning? I believe you guys are fine, because I'm fine too. Good. Alright, let's go straight to the business of the day. Okay, and of course, it's quantitative reasoning. Okay, so like I said, it's Thursday morning, okay, 3rd of September 2020, and in our world of quantitative this beautiful morning, we're looking at our reference book, which is Extension Modular Quantitative Reasoning, page 50, and that's number 1 to 8. Of course, you may ask me why number 1 to 8. There are 15 questions on that page. Yes, of course, you're very correct. But we're considering number 1 to 8 as our classwork, and then after we're taking question number 9 to 15 as our ticket out, as our homework. Alright, now let's go straight to the examples. In the example, we have A equals 4, B equals 3, C equals 5, and D equals 10. Now, this is a simple exercise, okay? Now, we call this open sentence, okay? For your level, it's an open sentence, alright? Whereby we represent letters, okay, or numbers with letters, rather, we represent numbers with letters, okay, in this exercise. So, let's say, take a look at this. We have A plus C minus B equals 6. A plus C minus B equals 6. Now, you may ask, what does that mean? Very easy. All you need to do, okay, is to analyze first. Please take notes. The first step is to analyze your question. How do I mean by analyzing your question? Write out what each letter stands for, like I did in my own example. Of course, in the example, it was written A plus C minus B equals 6. Alright, so what I did was to analyze each of these letters. That means A equals 4, C equals 5, and then B equals what? 3. So I have 4 plus 5 minus 3 equals what? Now let's see. 4 plus 5, of course, will give me what? 9. 4 plus 5 will give me 9. And 9 minus 3, that's step 2 now, remember? 4 plus 5 is step 1, which is 9. And 9 minus 3 will give me what? 6. So that gives me the value of my box, the missing number in the box. I hope that's clear. Alright, now let's take a look at the second example. In the second example, I have D times C equals 50. Now, of course, I want to get this. I want to find out how to get the 50, my 50 in the example. So what do? The same process. Analyze your letters. So what is the value of D? So like I said, analyze your letters. So let's see what's the value of D. Of course, the value of D there is 10. Okay, remember your sign. Your sign there says times. So what's the value of C? The value of C, of course, is what? 5. So, and then we have 10 times 5. Now, what's 10 times 5? You can do that, work it out. 10 times 5 equals 5 times 0, of course, is 0. 5 times 1, of course, is what? 5. So that gives us what? 50. You can see that is very, very easy. Very, very easy. Now, let's come to the last example, okay, on how to get 17. So let's find out how do I get 17? Very easy. Now, analyze it like we've been doing with the other examples. So B equals what? 3 times A equals what? 4 plus C equals what? 5. And now let's find out what this will give us. 3 times 4. Remember your multiplication table?
12.
That's 12. Fantastic. Very good of you, darling. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay? And then we have 12 plus 5. Now what is 12 plus 5? 12 plus 5. 12
17.
Plus 5. Wow, you're so smart. Very good. That's
Thank you,
17.
Mr. Sam.
You're welcome. That's 17. Now the rest of us, I'm sure we can as well do that. You can arrange your numbers, okay? You can also arrange your numbers and then add up. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. 5 in my head plus 2, that's 7. 1 plus 1 thing, that's 1. So that gives us what? 17. And that's our answer in the box. So you can see it's very, very, very easy. All you just need to do is to analyze it, like I said, and do not forget your signs, okay? When you have a plus, remember to put your plus. When you have a minus, remember to put your minus. When you have a times, remember to put your times. And when you have a divide, remember to put your divide. So that settles that, examples. So like I said, our exercises or our classwork will be from question 1 to number 8. So I'll be expecting you guys to submit your classwork to the Google class. Remember, just to write in your textbook and submit to the Google class. So I'll be waiting for you guys. I'll be expecting your responses. But until I come your way again, same time next week. Bye.